We arrived at Sebastian Inlet State Park after a few weeks in the Keys. The campground is located between the North Atlantic Ocean and the Indian River Lagoon. We had spent a couple weeks down in the Keys, first at Hammock State Park for a week, then we had moved on for a week at Bahi Honda State Park, and then a day snorkeling at John Pennekamp. Check out our videos in those state parks when you get a chance, along with seeing some of our Key West adventures. Due to our snorkeling tour up John Pennekamp, we arrived very late at Sebastian Inlet. The campsites are tight and maneuvering into the site was difficult, mostly due to the darkness. But oh, what a sight did we get. The park has pavilions where community events are held. We arrived just in time to enjoy listening to a local band. The next morning we realized the dream of a waterfront site. The campground has 60 sites. All have water and electric hookups. They also have a table, fire, ring, and grate. Campsites 1 through 14 and 52 through 56 are water views. The facilities are clean and very accessible to all the campsites. There is even laundry machines, which we took full advantage of. Did we get a chance to show you what we saw right off our campsite? Dolphins! Facilities at the park include a marina with boat rentals, boat ramps, boat slip rentals, a butterfly garden, picnic areas, along with many places to fish without the need for a boat. Although we could have walked to the beach from the campground, we traveled to the other side of the inlet to check out those facilities. On the north side of the inlet, you have access to both an inlet beach and an ocean. We enjoyed a breakfast sandwich at the cafe that we recommend highly. The cafe was close to access to additional picnic areas with walkways along with the fishing pier. The pier is filled with all calibers of fishermen, along with tourists just looking. The area is considered the best saltwater fishing on the East Coast. Redfish, bluefish, mackerel, and snook are frequent catches. On the day we visited, the current in the inlet was very strong, along with the wind. We loved Sebastian Inlet State Park. We only got to stay a day as the storm was coming and we were heading home. But we aren't that sad because we just booked a full week in the spring. Do you wonder how we get reservations in all these great state parks? Give us a like, subscribe, and drop us a note at arvjournal@gmail.com and we'll be sure to share our secret. Don't forget to check out all our other great videos.